Hi, I'm Jesse Hanish with Lund Boats, and one of the questions we get from customers a lot is about our quality and how do we make sure that a Lund boat gives the customers the best experience possible. Well, it all starts right here. First, we start riveting the boat, we get the hull put together, we get the freeboards on, and from there, it comes into the test tank. Every boat that's built here in this plant goes through the Lund test tank. What we do is we put the boat in the water, we put a little bit of down pressure on it, we get inside, we tap around, and we make sure that there's no leaks, nothing loose, and that boat is gonna go out and be completely dry and ready to go. From here, we're gonna roll it down, we're gonna take it into foaming, where you've all heard about foam, and foam is such an important process in what we do to give us the proper flotation in our boats to make sure that you're safe out on the water. After that, we're gonna get into painting, and we're gonna talk about how we prime the boat, we paint the boat, we clear coat the boat, and give you the best possible finish before that boat goes out the door. So here, when you're looking at a boat, you can see the amount of foam that we put in a boat. The foaming in our boats exceeds the Coast Guard capacity because our #1 goal is to keep you safe on the water. That all goes into our quality, our fit and finish, and the customer experience that we're looking for in every one of our boats. You can see here, this boat is filled with foam. They've cut it away. This boat is getting ready to move on to the next station where we're gonna go to paint. As we're going through the facility, what you can see here is the quality of our paint finish. We use an automotive urethane paint. And when our boats go through, the first thing that happens is the boat gets washed down, then it gets through the primer stage, it goes through an oven where it gets baked at 250 degrees. After it comes out of there, we're gonna put the base coat on the boat, run it back through the oven at 250 degrees for 20 minutes. We then bring it out, and here you can see this boat is taped off and getting scuffed, and what this is doing is putting the two-tone finish on the paint. What that allows us to do is give us a really durable, thick, quality paint that you're all looking for. So one of the things that happens with a Lund boat, as it's going through the line, it comes out of paint, comes down the assembly line, getting all of the fit and finish done to it, getting all the components put in, is there's a check sheet, and as it's going through, the fuel systems, for example, are checked 3 different times, from when the fuel system is put in until the time the boat goes out the door. Other things that are checked is a 130-point inspection check that we do at the end of the line. They're checking different things from door gaps to quality of carpet to windshields to the engine being rigged properly, all the way down to when the boat gets shrink wrapped. Once our team shrink wraps the boat, sets it on the trailer, gets it out to shipping, the journey doesn't end there. That's when the next part happens, when the boat gets to your dealer and they unwrap the boat and start to get it ready for you. All right, so now, the moment you've all been waiting for. The day your boat has arrived at the dealership. Comes in wrapped and all ready to go. The dealer's now gonna get this boat into the shop. They're gonna unwrap it. They're gonna make sure that everything is ready to go. They're gonna rig up any of your accessories and electronics that you're looking for. They're gonna have everything ready, batteries installed, and then they're gonna get you into the dealership to come in and sit down in your boat. There's a check sheet that they're gonna use to walk through every item that's in your boat and make sure that you have a very good understanding of it before you leave the dealership. If at all possible, talk to your dealer about doing an on-the-water demonstration with you as well. That's something that you'll really find valuable. And it's also part of the Lund experience, something that you won't get with many other brands.